English for Everyone. Coursebook Level 2. Business English. Lesson 10.
English uses a variety of phrases to make and check plans with co-workers by email. It is important to ensure that even informal messages are polite. Hello, Scott. Hope all's well with you. I just wanted to check that your team is coming to our training session. Will you be free next Friday at 2:30? Please see the provisional timetable attached. I'm copying Giorgio in on this. If you have any questions, please let me know. All the best, Linda. Hi, Catherine. Hope all's well with you. I just wanted to check that you got my earlier email about our sales presentation next Friday. Pauline and I are meeting this morning to discuss arrangements. Will you be free to come and join us in room A at 11:30? Please find the attached timetable and agenda for the presentation. I've copied Pauline in on this message. If you have any ideas or want to ask any questions, please let me know. All the best, Mira.
Please see the timetable for tomorrow's training course attached. I just wanted to check that you will be able to make it to the meeting. Don't worry if you have any questions. Just let me know. I'm copying Maxine in on this, as she may have some more information. How about coming to the restaurant with us this evening? I was wondering if you and Anna could come to the meeting tomorrow. Give me a call if you can't make the presentation at 10 o'clock.
End of Lesson 10. Thanks for watching.